Donald touched on I think that this was definitely considered at when we were debating this at the technical level, but it was felt quite strongly that at the end of the day, this is still going to be a publicly accessible market. And we need to ensure that the quality of information that will be available to the public is of an acceptable standard. And that's why we felt that because there will be a broad spectrum of companies that may come to the market, we want to make sure that whoever is structuring their information does have the necessary skills and background to make sure that that information is of a quality, and also to make sure that a registered and vetted person can be held accountable for the quality of disclosure that's out there. Because at the end of the day, a shelf company can be created today, can list tomorrow, the day the IPO closes, or, okay, not in this case, the day you list, trade enough shares, take the money and disappear. So we do need to make sure that they're identifiable professionals involved in the process. Now, with respect to conflicts of interest within a nomad, if it acts for competitors, I think what we've put in the law is that, one, you must appoint a nominated advisor. That nominated advisor must appoint at least one authorized representative and another member of staff to any particular company. And that in the conduct and the oversight of the companies they manage, they have to ensure that they comply with the existing standards on conduct of business, which also go into issues to do with conflicts of interest. So it is not in black and white said that you cannot act for competitors. But if you do, you must have sufficient internal controls and systems to make sure that that will not result in any kind of conflict between your clients. With respect to now the issuance of debt for the SME segment, at this juncture, we're starting with equity. Where we move on the debt side, I think we are open to discussion, but at this juncture, we felt that the Kenyan market is a lot more comfortable with the growth of equity markets, and at least let's start there. And then maybe we can translate some of the very significant growth we've seen on the debt side in the last 2 to 3 years and see whether also the SMEs can take advantage of that. But that will come in time.